Namaste dear children, how are you all? I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Class 4 Mathematics Chapter 2 Hide and Seek. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter. But before we go into the details, let us look at these interesting pictures. Let us look at the first image. It shows a group of children playing the game hide and seek. See, here we see Jagat, then Mini, Bolu and Rani standing together. What Rani said? Jagat, all of you go and hide. I will find you. This means Rani is the one who will look for others and the rest will go and hide. Now let us look at each scene. See, this is scene 1. See, here you can see Mini hiding behind the hut. Then Jagat, he is sitting on the top of a tree. Bolu is hiding behind this pot. See, Rani is walking near the hut. She is searching for others. Then scene 2, here you can see Jagat sitting on the top of the tree. Here Rani found Jagat. Then you see scene 3. Here Rani found Bolu. He was sitting behind the pot. Behind this hut you can see Mini. Next scene 4. See, this is Mini. She could see Bolu sitting behind the pot and also she could see Jagat. He was sitting on the tree. Let us look at the picture and answer the following. Which game are the children playing? The children are playing hide and seek. Who is looking from the top? Jagat. See this picture? Jagat. He is looking from the top. In scene 1, if Rani faces towards the hut, will she be able to see who all are hiding near the hut? Imagine Rani's position in scene 1. If she turns her head to face the hut, can she see Mini and Bolu who are already hiding near it? See this picture? Will she be able to see? No, why? Because hut itself and the bush are blocking the view. One person is behind the hut and one person is hiding behind the pot. So, it is not easy to find them. In scene 4, can Mini see all the children playing the game? Discuss. See this picture, this is scene 4 and this is Mini. Can Mini see all the children playing the game? No, she can see Jagat here. She can also see Bolu here, but she cannot see Rani. Bolu is amazed to see how this tree looks from the top. See this picture? Jagat has clicked a picture of a tree from the front. See, here you have two pictures. See, this is Bolu. Bolu clicked a picture of the tree from top. See, from top. This is the top view of the tree. Then what about Jagat? See, this is Jagat. Jagat clicked a picture of tree from the front. This is the front view of the tree. Mini, Bolu and Rani draw the same brick. Why are their drawings of the same brick different? Discuss. See, this is the real brick. Mini, Bolu and Rani, they drew the same brick. Look at the three drawings here. This is Mini's drawing, this is Bolu's drawing and this is Rani's drawing. They all drew the same brick, but their drawings are different. Why? Their drawings are different because they looked at the same brick from different directions. They looked at the same brick from different directions. See, this is Mini's drawing. She drew the brick from the front. See, this is the front view of the brick. She drew this front view. This is the front view. Then Bolu, he drew the top view of the brick. See, this is the top view. This is the top view of the brick. Bolu, he drew the top view of the brick. Then what about Rani's drawing? She drew the side of the brick. See, this side. She looked from here and drew the picture. So, she got the side view of the brick. This side view is a little narrower when compared to front view. Whose drawing shows the following views? The top view. See, this is the top view. Whose drawing shows the top view? Bolu's. Then, front view. This is the front view. See, this is the front view of the brick. So, front view, Minnie's drawing. Okay. Then what about the side view? Side view, Rani's drawing. See, this side. Okay. So, it is Rani's drawing. Look at the pictures and name the objects. Also write which view of the object is given. See, this is a desktop computer. You know which view is it? This is the front view of the computer. See next one. This is sofa. What about the view? This is also front view. Then next one. This is slipper. Then what about the view? This is the top view of the slipper. This slipper is viewed from the top. Next one. Can you identify this picture? This is a water bottle. And what about the view? This is the top view of a water bottle. Next one. This is a school bus. And this is the back view of the school bus. This is the back view. Then next one, you can see a chair here. And this is a side view of the chair. This chair is viewed from the side. Can you identify this picture? This is a pencil. Which view is it? This is the top view of this pencil. This is the top view. The next one, this is the lid of a cooker. Then, what about the view? This is the top view of this lid. Then next you can see a helmet. What about the view? This is the side view of the helmet. Jagat and Rani have made different drawings of the same objects. Match the views with the objects. So Jagat and Rani, they drew the same objects, but their drawings are different. You have to match the views with the objects. See, these are the objects and these are the different views. See the first one. Here, one side view is given and one front view is given. Using these views, using this side view and this front view, can you identify this picture? See, here you can see a square. This front view is a square. Can you identify this picture? Yeah, this is the second picture. If you look from the front, you can see a square. And if you look from the side, you can see this picture. Isn't it? Then see the next one. Here you can see a top view and a front view. Top view, it is a triangle. And in the front view, you can see a rectangle. Can you identify the object? Yeah, this is the object. This third picture. See, the top view is a triangle and the front view, you can see a rectangle. And see the next one. See, this is a front view, a triangle, and this is the top view. So this will match to this picture, this first one. See, if you look from the front, you can see a triangle. And if you look from the top, you can see three triangles like this. Okay. Then look around you. Try to make drawings of objects such as chairs, tables, pencils, erasers, birthday cap, and bottle from different views. So you can make drawings of these objects from different views. You can draw its side view, front view, and top view. Some examples I will show you. See, this is a chair. This is a front view of the chair. This is a side view of the chair. And see, this is the top view of the chair. Then you have a table here. And this is a front view of the table. And this is the top view. This is a top view. And this is a side view of the table. Boxy Buildings. Jagat and Mini are playing. They are making different buildings using empty matchboxes and making their drawings from different views. Jagat and Mini, they are playing. They are taking empty matchboxes and they are using these matchboxes to build different buildings. And just like we discussed, they are then drawing these buildings from the top view, side view, and front view. See, this is one of their drawings. See, this is the front view of this drawing. See, you can see this part here. See, this one. Then you can see this part. When you look from the front, you can see these things. See, these things. Then also you can see this part. See, this one. See here. Okay. So this is the front view. The next back view. See, when you look from the back, you can see this back side you can see. See this one. See. Then back side of these two matchboxes. See here. Then back side of these two matchboxes. See these two here. This is a back view of their drawing. The next one, top view. See, when you look from the top, you can see this. See, this part you can see. See here. And then this part also you can see from the top. See, this one. Then here. Okay, see this part. And this part you can see. See, this brown color part. And this part also you can see from the top. See. So this is the top view of their drawing. Now, you also collect empty matchboxes or any other empty boxes to create different buildings and draw their top, side and front views. You can challenge your friends by asking them to match your drawing with the right building. So now your task is to collect some empty boxes, then create your own buildings. After you make a building, draw what it looks like from three different positions. That is, you have to draw the top view, side view and front view. After you have drawn your views, you can show your drawings to your friends. You can ask your friends to match your drawing with the right building. Let us move on to the next page. Cat finds Jagat. The next day, the five friends go to school feeling excited as it is an activity day. So it is a special day at school, an activity day, which means they will be doing some fun activities. Everyone is excited. Jagat's pet cat follows him to school. Jagat's pet cat actually followed him all the way to school. The cat sits on the window and tries to find Jagat. Look at this picture. You can see a big orange cat sitting on the window looking into the classroom. It is trying to find Jagat among all students. See, this is Jagat. You can see Jagat here. Let us do. Jagat's cat sees him sitting on the third desk in the first row. See, this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. So Jagat, he was sitting on the third desk in the first row. See, this is the first row. Mark Jagat's position in the picture. He was sitting on the third desk in the first row. See here. This is first row, this is third desk. First desk, second desk, third desk. Next one, describe the position of the blue bag. Can you see the blue bag? See, this is the blue bag. Can you say the position? First desk in the first row. See, this is the first row and this is the first desk. What do you see on the middle desk of the second row? See, this is the second row. See, this is first row, this is second row. What do you see on the middle desk of the second row? See, this is the middle desk. What do you see here? Water bottle, red water bottle. Where is the notebook kept? The first desk in the second row or the middle desk in the third row? Can you see a notebook here? See here, you can see a notebook. This is third row. See, first row, second row, third row. Third row, middle desk. So, middle desk in the third row. Draw an apple on the third desk of the second row. You have to draw an apple on the third desk of the second row. See, first row, second row. This is the second row. You have to draw an apple on the third desk. See, this is first desk, this is second desk, and this is the third desk. Here you can draw an apple. Okay. Grid game. Come, let us play. See here, Rani is showing Bolu a game board which is drawn like a square grid. Bolu, now you have to draw the objects in the grid by following my clues. Draw the ball at the bottom left corner. Here, Rani is giving some instructions to Bolu. So, Bolu, he should draw some objects in the grid by following Rani's clues. Okay, it is the first row and first column. So he is trying to figure out where to put the object based on Rani's clue. This shows us how we use rows and columns to describe positions on a grid. Here are the clues given by Rani to fill the grid. See, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. And this is column 1, column 2, column 3. An eraser at the top right corner. See, what is the first clue? An eraser at the top right corner. Which is the top right corner? Here. So here you have to place an eraser. Next one, a pencil in the top left corner. Which is the top left corner? See here. Here you have to place a pencil. The next one, an apple in the middle of the second row and second column. Which is the second row? See, this is the second row. And second column? See, this is the second column. Okay. So, you have to place an apple here. The next, a water bottle in the third row and second column. Which is the third row? See, this is the third row. Third row, second column. See, this is the third row, second column. here you have to keep a water bottle. Grid game, treasure hunt. In this game, one player has to think of an object from the grid and help the other player locate it. So it is a team game. One person secretly picks an object on the grid, then gives clues to their friend to help them find it without directly naming it. Let us see how Jagat and Mini are playing. Jagat, have you thought of the object? Mini asked. Then Jagat said, yes. See, here you can see a start marked here at the bottom left corner. And Jagat, he's looking at this grid with several objects on it. You can see car, mango, orange, etc. Jagat is thinking of one of these objects. And Mini is asking him, Jagat, have you thought of the object? Then Jagat said, yes. Now Mini is trying to find the object. She starts at the bottom left corner marked start. So she started from this position. Mini takes 4 steps to the right from the starting point. She took 4 steps to the right. See, from the starting point, she took 4 steps to the right. See, 1, then 2, 3, then 4. Then Mini asked, is it an orange? Then what Jagat said, you are 3 steps away. So, actually Mini is still 3 squares away from the object he is actually thinking of. Mini takes 2 steps to the left and 1 step upwards. So, from her previous position, she moved 2 steps to the left. See, from here, from this square to here and then to here. 2 steps to the left. And then 1 step upwards. So, here. So, she reaches the cat. Mark Mini's position on the grid. So, now Mini is here. Then, Jagat said, now you are still 2 steps away. Now you are still 2 steps away. Then what object did Jagat think of? So Mini is getting closer but hasn't found the object yet. She is still 2 steps away. So what object did Jagat think of? Of course, it is a mango. See, from here, 1 step, then 2nd step. She will reach mango. So, what object did Jagat think of? It is a mango. Play the game with your partner. From the starting point, trace the paths to reach the flower. How many steps are required for each path? So, this is the starting point. You have to trace the path to reach the flower. See, this is the flower. You have to reach here from the starting point. You can reach here through different paths. Then, we have to find how many steps are required for each path. See, we will see the first path. See, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. How many steps required? 7. Then we will follow another path. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This path also required 7 steps. Then we will see another path. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. This also took 7 paths. We can see another path. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also took 7 steps. So, 7 steps. How many steps are required for each path? 7 steps. Speak out or write down the different paths followed to reach the flower. From the starting point, where would you reach in a smaller number of steps, the mango or the orange? So from this starting point, See, this is a starting point. Where would you reach in a smaller number of steps? Mango or the orange? See, here is the orange, here is a mango. To reach orange, how many steps are required? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what about mango? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So, which requires smaller number of steps? Orange. Drone around the school. Gyan has got a drone to show her friends. A drone can take pictures while flying. Wow, isn't it our school so green and beautiful? Yes, our school has walls made of red bricks. So a drone is taking some pictures while flying. Circle the places or things that you see in the picture and write their names. See, here you can see playground. Then here you can see some vehicles here, some vehicles parking here. Then you can see garden. Okay, then you can see some buildings. Preet's elder sister has made a site map of the school. You can easily locate grade 4 on the map. So this is a site map of the school. Look on the map to find grade 4 classroom. It is on the right side. See, here you can see grade 4. You have to trace the path from grade 4 classroom to the stage. See, here you can see stage. Can you trace the path? You would use your finger or a pencil to draw a line showing a possible way to walk from the grade 4 classroom all the way to the stage. I will show you the path. See, this is the path. How many routes were you able to find? You may use different color pencils to trace the different routes. So, how many paths you can trace from grade 4 to reach stage? You already know one path. See, from grade 4, see, this path you already know. Can you find some more routes? See, you can go like this. See, this is another path. Can you trace some more paths? See, I will show you some other paths. See, you can go like this. This is another path. See, this is another path. See, this is another path. See, you can find some more complex paths also. See, this is another path. See, this is another path. This is more complex. One more complex path I will show you. See, this one. This is another path. So you can find different routes. Some are simple paths, some are complex paths. So now already I found 6 paths. Now which is the shortest route? See, this red one. The water delivery man has turned left from the entrance. See, this is the entrance. The water delivery man has turned left from the entrance. Help him reach MDM kitchen. See, this is MDM kitchen. He should reach here. So, help him reach MDM kitchen by telling him the route. Write the directions below. See, actually, he turned left from the entrance. See, then how he could reach MDM kitchen? I will show you the path. See. So, can you write the directions? From the entrance, go left. See, this one. From the entrance, go left. Okay. Then pass a parking student. See, this is parking students area and library on your left side. Then now turn right behind principal's office. Walk straight past the stage and hall. See, here you can see stage. Here you can see hall. Keep going straight along the middle wing classrooms. See, here you can see middle wing classrooms. When you reach the end of the middle wing, turn left. You will see MDM kitchen. See here at the end of your right next to sports room. Okay. Rajat is not feeling well. Which way will you choose to take him to the medical room from the library? See, from the library. See, this is the library. From the library, we have to take him to the medical room. Where is the medical room? See, here is the medical room. Can you trace the path? See, you can go like this. After the assembly in the playground, Bolu must go to the IT room and Rani has to go to the sports room. Trace their paths, which way is longer. So after assembly in the playground, Bolu must go to IT room. See, this is the IT room. This is a playground. So, can you trace the path? See, this is the IT room. Then Rani has to go to the sports room. Where is the sports room? Here. So, see, she can go like this. Trace their paths. Which way is longer? The sports room. Let us do project work. Draw a site map to show the way from your school entrance to your classroom and any other important places. Suppose this is the entrance. Then you turn left. Here you can see principal's office. After few steps, you turn right. You can see library here. Then after few steps, you turn right. Here you can see your classroom. You can draw your own site map. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you. The playlist for other subjects are given in the description box. Please go through it.